All right, so I've had this hardtop floating around the garage. If I keep moving around and not make a stand for it, it's going to get banged up. So what we're going to do is try and duplicate this one. This one came with this black one. I already took the measurements on it. We're going to cut it up now. One of these days, I'm actually going to set up correctly, make some horse stands so I'm not working on the ground, but in time. Right now, I'm cutting all the pieces. I'll go over the measurements here shortly in this next scene. All right, so we got all our pieces cut out. We're going to start assembling this. So these are going to be our 45 supports that go between the 2x4s and the uprights. These are both 41. This cross beam is 41 inches. These are 20.5 inch. And this is 46. So we're going to assemble all this and then figure out where we need to make the pockets for the rear brackets to fit into for the hardtop here. All right, so we're just going to attach the feet to the uprights, and just for a little bit added strength, made some 45 plywood to strengthen the structure. All right, now that we got the two legs built, we're going to do this top crossbar like that. And we'll put the bottom on last. And then, like I said, we'll figure out those footholes for the hardtop brackets last. I would also recommend sanding these corners on the top just so it doesn't scrape up the inside of your hardtop. All right, this is not the most aesthetically pretty thing, but it's pretty square. And I try to make the front end a little heavier so it's not prone to tipping. Not that they're very heavy, but the whole idea is for these things to keep them in nice shape. So I'll review the measurements again at the end, but for right now, we're going to try and figure out where are the brackets we need to plug in at the bottom there. All right, so it's already staying like that. I might just run a 2x4 across the front. And it's looking pretty good so far. I think that's it. So as you can see in this last picture, I just ran some plywood edges to catch those brackets. That way it won't slide out of the stand. And that's it. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope this helps you.